Hi everyone, good morning. How is everyone doing? I'm sure you all are keeping well. Thank you so much for joining in again. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, तो आज का वीडियो है a routine with me. How my daily routine looks like. मैं खड़ी हूँ अपनी balcony में as usual, जो कि मैंने आपको दिखाई भी थी. I might look a bit swollen क्योंकि अभी मैं उठी हूँ. अभी तो नहीं उठी हूँ एक्चुअली, मुझे आधा घंटा हो गया उठे हुए. It's been half an hour that I have been up. But I've done my brush, I've done my basic things of morning, and I come and stand here every day for 10-15 minutes to think what is my routine going to look like, to think and understand that what are my plans. So this is the place that I come and stand. You can see it's very mesmerizing. Over the past few days I've been thinking of shooting it, but the canal that you see was empty. They were doing some cleaning in the canal. So yes, I was been thinking of shooting it, but टाइम ही नहीं मिला और मौका ही नहीं मिला और समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कि कैसे शूट करूँ, क्योंकि पीछे की कैनाल खाली थी और बहुत सारा काम हो रहा था. Now they've cleaned it, they've refilled it. So yes, so here I am with another video. Let's talk about how my routine goes like. So I come stand here and take deep breaths, couple of deep breaths, and start my day. So by how I start my day is, now I'll go and cook something because everybody is sleeping, and this is the time when I cook. So I start my day with cooking. हम usually रोज़ sorted vegetables खाते हैं with some boiled egg and a protein brown bread. So ये हमारा रेगुलर ब्रेकफास्ट है. हम रोज़ यही करते हैं. Especially I would rather say चंदीप रोज़ यही ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. There is no change. I at times take my breakfast, or at times I skip it. Mostly I skip it and continue with my coffee, and then I take a heavy lunch and with easy dinner. That's what my food routine is. But let me show you how I cook and what is there cooking in the kitchen today. Okay, it's time for some cold coffee, and my cold coffee is my daily routine for morning. And what I put in my cold coffee is Nescafe Gold Cappuccino. Well, this is Nescafe Gold Cappuccino, but I put Nescafe Cappuccino, one sachet of it or half sachet of it as I want, and some Davidoff with some sugar and with some milk and blend it. And here is my coffee for you, and I'm going to enjoy it for a while and see you back. Okay, तो breakfast है ready. जैसा कि मैंने बोला था कि this is sorted vegetables, boiled egg and bread. This is the everyday breakfast that gym people have. I think he's going to the gym abhi, but once he is back from his gym, he will have his breakfast along with his protein, or maybe his कॉफ़ी एज़ यूजुअल. बाकी रेडी है हमारा पालक पनीर. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बताए हैं क्योंकि ये कुकिंग शो नहीं था या कुकिंग वीडियो नहीं थी. बट येस, माय पालक पनीर इज़ रेडी. लुक्स अमेजिंग. खा के मैंने देखा नहीं है, बट येस, थोड़ी सी इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी लाने के लिए मैंने इसमें एंड में थोड़ी सी क्रीम डाली है. ऑफ कोर्स 2 रीज़न्स. एक कंसिस्टेंसी लाने के लिए, इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी थिक कंसिस्टेंसी, एंड देन येस, इट क्रीम डालने के बाद यार खाना तो डेफिनेटली स्वाद हो ही जाता है. सो येस, देयर इज़ चिमनी रनिंग, तो इसलिए शायद आपको आवाज़ भी आ रही होगी. लेट मी जस्ट स्विच इट ऑफ ओनली. So yes, so this is ready. Breakfast is ready. Partial lunch is also ready. So बाकी के काम करने चलते हैं हम.
What's up, Red?
What's up?
Oh, the noise is George. He was so tired he has fallen asleep.
Sean,
Yes.
क्या कर रही है?
मैं चाय बना रही हूँ. पीनी है तुमको?
कौन आ रहा है घर पे?
कोई भी नहीं आ रहा, मैं अपने लिए बना रही हूँ. मैं यूजुअली शाम को चाय बनाती हूँ, एंड आई मेक अ स्पेशल टी फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो ओके, सो लेट्स शो व्हाट्स द स्पेशल टी. सो एक्चुअली इसमें मैंने रैत का दूध गर्म किया था, जो कि अभी वाइट दिख रहा है. बट हाउ आई कुक इज
सरफ लग रहा है.
चंदीप प्लीज, हाँ सरफ नहीं है. सो हाउ आई मेक टी इज दैट I love drinking tea which has got equal amount of water and milk. So if you are making 2 cups of tea,
सस्ती वाली चाय.
सस्ती वाली चाय नहीं, सही है, महंगी वाली चाय है, इतना सारा दूध डलता है इसमें. So how I make it is that if I have to make 2 cups, so I put 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. I let the water boil for a while, put some sugar, and I love having cardamom tea rather than a ginger tea. I know you like ginger tea, but yes, अभी इसको boil होने दूँगी और उसके बाद जब ये boil हो जाएगा अच्छे से, जब it will be half what it is right now, then I'll put some tea leaves. एंड उसके बाद जाएगी इसमें, और उसके बाद जाएगी इसमें, जाएगी इसमें क्या होता है, उसके बाद जाएगा इसमें दूध, महिला, यस, द मिल्क इज बिकम महिला. सो अभी इसको होने देते हैं और वेट करते हैं जब तक चाय बनती है. ये लो सर आपकी चाय.
अरे वाह, अदरक वाली है.
अदरक वाली नहीं है ये मेरी स्टाइल की चाय है, इलायची वाली चाय, इलायची वाली. तो लौंग में इलायची वाली.
स्वादी है.
वर्ल्ड क्लास चाय है ना,
स्वादी.
वर्ल्ड क्लास चाय इन जयपुर एंड इन दिल्ली एंड नाउ इन दुबई.
हाँ, सर्दी बढ़ती धूप में चाय.
दुबई की सड़ती हुई धूप में चाय है. तुम चाय पियो, मैं अपनी चाय लेके आती हूँ. एंड इट्स इवनिंग हियर. It's 5:30 and we are heading towards the park. You can see my 2 musketeers both wearing the same thing. Both are wearing the red shirt and their shorts and their sport shoes. So yeah, see you in the park. Look how happy Rahat is to go to his lovely place, which is his playtime and his loving time. So that's his playing time. That's our regular routine, everyday routine. So Rahat is doing his monkey bar, but he wants some help. So Chandeep is there. So yeah, that's our daily routine with him in the evening. We come to the park every evening. We stay here for an hour, hour and a half, and then go back home. So yeah, he doesn't want to continue. He's scared. So he finally dropped it. Okay guys, that's an end to the video, the end to my daily routine. तो मैं हर रात को यहाँ पे नहीं आती हूँ because I get too tired. But yes, I started my video with showing the canal in the morning, and I also wanted to show how my balcony looks like in the evening or at night. So this is the view for you. I would just hope that you really like the video, and if yes, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you've already been watching my video, thank you so very much. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.